Hello, welcome to the AlanTube channel. Did you know United States has the 30 best military defenses in the world? We will discuss them one by one, of course, don't skip all of our videos in each episode. Episode 5. For this episode, we will discuss the United States military defense system, the M1A2 Abrams tank. The M1A2 Abrams is a main battle tank that has served as the backbone of the United States Army's armored forces since its introduction in 1992. It is a highly advanced tank with cutting-edge technology that has undergone numerous upgrades over the years to ensure it remains at the forefront of military innovation. In this article, we will take a closer look at the M1A2 Abrams tank, its features, capabilities, and the role it plays in modern warfare. Design and features. The M1A2 Abrams is a massive tank that weighs over 68 tons and is approximately 32 feet long and 12 feet wide. It is powered by a gas turbine engine that produces over 1,500 horsepower, which allows it to travel at speeds of up to 42 miles per hour on roads and 25 miles per hour off-road. The tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore cannon that can fire a variety of rounds, including armor-piercing thin-stabilized discarding sabot (APFSDS), high-explosive anti-tank (HEAT), and multipurpose anti-tank (MPAT) rounds. The M1A2 is also armed with a .50 caliber M2 machine gun and a 7.62mm M240 machine gun for additional firepower. The M1A2 Abrams tank is designed with advanced armor that provides superior protection against enemy attacks. The tank's armor is made up of a combination of materials, including depleted uranium and composite armor, which provides high levels of protection against both kinetic energy and chemical energy attacks. The tank is also equipped with a sophisticated fire control system that includes a laser rangefinder, thermal imaging system, and advanced ballistic computer. These systems allow the tank crew to engage targets accurately and quickly, even in low light and adverse weather conditions. Capabilities. The M1A2 Abrams tank is one of the most capable tanks in the world. It has the ability to engage targets at long ranges with its 120mm cannon and advanced fire control system. The tank's armor provides excellent protection against enemy fire, making it a highly survivable vehicle on the battlefield. The tank is also highly mobile, with its gas turbine engine and advanced suspension system allowing it to navigate rough terrain and steep inclines with ease. The tank is equipped with advanced communication systems that allow it to coordinate with other tanks and ground forces, as well as air support. This makes the M1A2 Abrams an integral part of any modern battlefield, as it can provide critical support to ground troops and engage enemy targets with devastating firepower. Role in modern warfare. The M1A2 Abrams tank plays a critical role in modern warfare. It is used primarily as a main battle tank, providing ground support to infantry and engaging enemy armor and fortifications. The tank's advanced capabilities make it a highly effective weapon in offensive and defensive operations. Its mobility and firepower allow it to quickly move to the front lines of a battle and engage enemy targets with devastating accuracy and speed. The M1A2 Abrams tank has been used extensively in numerous conflicts around the world, including the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. Its effectiveness and reliability have made it a trusted weapon in the arsenal of the United States Army and its allies. Conclusion. The M1A2 Abrams tank is a highly advanced weapon system that has proven its effectiveness on the battlefield time and time again. Its advanced features, including its powerful cannon, sophisticated fire control system, and advanced armor, make it a highly capable weapon in modern warfare. The tank's mobility and communication systems allow it to coordinate with ground troops and air support, making it an integral part of any modern battlefield. The M1A2 Abrams tank will undoubtedly continue to play a critical role in the defense of the United States. The M1A2 Abrams tank is primarily used by the United States Army, but it has also been exported to several other countries. Some of the countries that currently operate the M1A2 Abrams include Egypt. Egypt has a large fleet of M1A2 Abrams tanks that were purchased from the United States. Kuwait. Kuwait has a fleet of M1A2 Abrams tanks that were purchased from the United States. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has a large fleet of M1A2 Abrams tanks that were purchased from the United States. Iraq. Iraq received a fleet of M1A2 Abrams tanks from the United States in 2010. Australia. Australia has a small fleet of M1A2 Abrams tanks that were purchased from the United States. Morocco. Morocco has a small fleet of M1A2 Abrams tanks that were purchased from the United States. Qatar. Qatar has a fleet of M1A2 Abrams tanks that were purchased from the United States. United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates has a large fleet of M1A2 Abrams tanks that were purchased from the United States. United States. The United States Army is the primary user of the M1A2 Abrams tank and has a fleet of over 1,500 tanks. Overall, the M1A2 Abrams tank is used by several countries around the world, primarily as a main battle tank for offensive and defensive operations. The cost of an M1A2 Abrams tank varies depending on several factors, such as the specific model, the equipment included, and the quantity ordered. However, it is estimated that the cost of a new M1A2 Abrams tank is around $8 million to $9 million. It's important to note that the cost of maintaining and operating the tank is also quite high, with expenses for fuel, ammunition, spare parts, and maintenance adding up over time. While the M1A2 Abrams is a highly advanced and effective weapon system, its high cost and maintenance expenses make it a significant investment for any country looking to acquire it. As a result, it is primarily used by countries with large defense budgets and a need for a highly capable main battle tank. The M1A2 Abrams tank has been used in several conflicts and military operations around the world. Some of the major conflicts where the M1A2 Abrams has been deployed include Gulf War, 1990 to 1991. The M1A2 Abrams tank was first used in combat during the Gulf War. The United States Army deployed hundreds of M1A2 tanks, which played a critical role in the ground campaign to liberate Kuwait. Iraq War, 2003 to 2011. The M1A2 Abrams tank was extensively used during the Iraq War. The United States Army deployed thousands of tanks, which were used to engage in armored battles with Iraqi forces. War in Afghanistan, 2001-present. The M1A2 Abrams tank has also been used in the war in Afghanistan. While the mountainous terrain of Afghanistan limits the tank's mobility, it has been used in certain regions to provide fire support and engage in offensive operations. Syrian Civil War, 2011-present. The M1A2 Abrams tank has been used in the Syrian Civil War, primarily by the United States Army and its allies in the fight against ISIS. Overall, the M1A2 Abrams tank has proven to be a highly effective weapon system in various combat situations. Its advanced armor, powerful gun, and advanced targeting systems make it a formidable opponent on the battlefield. In addition to the conflicts mentioned above, the M1A2 Abrams tank has also been used in other operations, such as peacekeeping missions and training exercises. The tank has been exported to several countries, including Egypt, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and Australia. The M1A2 Abrams tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore cannon, which is capable of firing a variety of ammunition types, including armor-piercing and high-explosive rounds. The tank also has advanced targeting and fire control systems, which allow it to engage targets accurately and quickly. The tank's armor is made of a composite material, which provides superior protection against enemy fire. However, the M1A2 Abrams tank is not without its limitations. Its size and weight make it difficult to transport and maneuver in certain types of terrain. Additionally, the tank's high cost and maintenance expenses make it a significant investment for any country looking to acquire it. In conclusion, the M1A2 Abrams tank is a highly advanced and effective weapon system that has been used in several conflicts and military operations around the world. While it has its limitations, the tank's advanced capabilities make it a formidable opponent on the battlefield. Moreover, the M1A2 Abrams tank has undergone several upgrades over the years to maintain its technological edge on the battlefield. One of the most significant upgrades was the integration of the Tank Urban Survival Kit, TUSK, which enhances the tank's performance in urban environments. The TUSK includes several improvements, such as additional armor protection, improved machine guns, and better situational awareness for the crew. Another upgrade is the addition of a new version of the tank called the M1A2C, which is the latest iteration of the M1 Abrams series. The M1A2C includes upgrades such as improved communication systems, upgraded armor, and new sensors that allow for better situational awareness. The United States Army plans to upgrade its existing fleet of M1A2 tanks to the M1A2C configuration over the coming years. Overall, the M1A2 Abrams tank continues to be an essential asset for the United States Army and other countries that operate it. Its proven combat performance and continuous upgrades demonstrate its relevance and effectiveness on the modern battlefield. The M1A2 Abrams tank, which is a main battle tank primarily used by the United States Army but has also been exported to several other countries. The tank has been used in various conflicts, including the Gulf War, Iraq War, war in Afghanistan, and Syrian civil war. The cost of a new M1A2 Abrams tank is estimated to be around $8 million to $9 million, and its high maintenance expenses make it a significant investment for any country looking to acquire it. Overall, the M1A2 Abrams tank is a highly advanced and effective weapon system that has played a critical role in ground campaigns and armored battles.